Well, Long Island's South Shore residents are breathing a sigh of relief tonight after spending the week preparing for the impact of Lee. The storm has since been downgraded from a hurricane and was not expected to make landfall there, but as Fox 5's Ashlie Rodriguez reports, there was concern it might cause serious flooding.
Volunteers arrived at Lido Beach Saturday morning to pick up trash along the shore, only to discover there was no beach.
There's a lot of water, not a lot of beach to clean.
Let's hope we still get the volunteer hours there.
Hurricane Lee created storm surge along Long Island's South Shore Friday night. The tides were high, the waves were big, crashing over the sand dunes and flooding the shore. The minor flooding, though, came as a relief.
It's not that bad. The storm went past us, thank goodness.
At Jones Beach, crews used bulldozers to move sand berms to create a bridge over the flooding and to the ocean. Water was so deep over the beachfronts of West Bathhouse and Field 2, they were inaccessible.
At a couple of our beaches, the West Bathhouse beachfront and the Field 2 beachfront, those are not accessible right now. So those areas did get hit a little worse than the other beaches in the park.
But most importantly, the storm surge didn't flood under the boardwalk and into the buildings or into homes on the South Shore. And the coastline wasn't significantly eroded.
So it looks like they really prepared themselves well, but it is unusual.
The current is strong, but it's not considered dangerous. So swimmers take advantage because this is the last weekend before swimming stops, and it doesn't start back up again until Memorial Day. At Jones Beach, Ashlie Rodriguez, Fox 5 News.